the channel, and for those of you new to the channel, I'm Brad, and this is Sabot Ready Woodworks. Today we're going to be changing things up a little bit, and I'm going to be making myself a tool. I had inherited this big old mallet when I got a whole bunch of tools from my grandparents' neighbor, but I find it kind of unwieldy. The top tends to fall down quite easy, and it just doesn't really fit well in my hand. And trying to use that with my chisels, I never really like it. It gets the job done, but I don't really like it. So what I've done is I've glued up this block of maple with a little strip of walnut to match my workbench, where it's mainly maple with a little strip of walnut in the middle. And I'm going to turn myself a Carver's mallet over on my lathe. So let's move on over there and we'll get this turned, and I believe this is going to be a lot nicer. So come along everyone, let's go have some fun. Alright everybody, so Carver's mallet turn complete. I'm very happy with how this turned out. It's a lot lighter, it fits better in my hand, I feel like I've got more control, and it works nicely as you just saw. Very happy with how it turned out. Sometimes it's fun just to make your own tools. I've recently made some like a miter spline jig, a table saw, a crosscut sled, and a shooting board and a miter shooting board. This way I can just sort of make tools that also work for me, which is kind of rewarding at the same time. And who doesn't love turning things on a lathe and just watching those chips fly? So this is definitely going to find a home on my bench for all future use. I probably will keep this big one for now. It's great for if, I don't know, Sasquatch comes in and I need to fight him out of my shop. This will probably do the trick. But aside from that, it's not really ergonomic. It doesn't really fit well in the hand. It's just not great. I do acknowledge that there are uses for the bigger and heavier mallets, and I probably will make one myself that is more tailored to me. So that way I can actually get use out of both whenever I need it, depending on what the situation calls for. So thanks for coming along. It was a lot of fun, and until next time guys, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.